I just finished my back workout. Now we're moving on to biceps. Obviously, I'm gonna do bicep curls, but instead of barbell curls, I'm gonna use this bar. Switch it up. Also, I may do reverse curls, but I'll probably have to do that with this bar. That way, I don't have to keep flip flopping weights. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take these off. I might not even need to put weight on this. It's gonna be a hard bicep workout. Put it like that. Okay, so we'll count that as one total set. So two. Okay, so it's 4 total sets. Still getting used to this new posting schedule. I'm posting every day now, which I mean I can do it because I separate my workouts into different videos. That's why some of them are short. Like the ones that'll probably be shorter, bicep, tricep. Those are probably the only ones that'll be sub 9 minutes maybe. But everything else should be pretty lengthy. But yeah, pumping out these videos every day, and I got a good schedule on it, so I'm not gonna miss a day. Like I'm a week ahead of videos. Like if you watching this video today, I already have next week's videos already scheduled, ready to go. So it kind of I don't have to rush when I edit these because I'm a week ahead when it comes to videos. So me getting off schedule not gonna be a problem. Missing a day not gonna be a problem. So we're hitting tacking these videos as hard as I can. If you want to join and watch the growth, please hit the subscribe button. Um, Videos every day, keeping everything simple, being different from everybody else. Got this nice scenery, but I just appreciate you. If you watching the video this far, I appreciate that. So I'm gonna go ahead and where am I going? Go ahead and get it to the next set. So this will make 2 after the reverse. Yeah, okay. So damn close. Okay. Whew. Hold on. Ooh. Ooh, that's two more sets to go. Yeah, yeah. Got to make sure to pump there. Whew. I still got to tone my body up some more. Mainly the thigh, stomach area. That's where most of my fat is. But like the thing, see, it's kind of misleading because I'm not fat. If you know, you know that feeling. Like you're in shape, right? You're fit, whatever. But like, you have a little more fat on your body than you normally do. Especially like coming off a bulk or stuff like that. It's kind of how I feel. Well, that's how I feel. Uh, why do I keep walking back here? And that's the last one. Okay. I just did narrow, so back to wide. Uh, uh. Uh, one more set to go. One more set to go. One more set to go. Last set. Narrow grip. Uh, Get up. Oh, okay. That'll end off. Whew, that'll end off this workout. Um, if you made it this far, thank you for watching the full video. Um, and stay tuned in. Videos come every day, so stay tuned. God loves you. I'm out.